Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews and insights on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the best Ender 3 Extender Kit, a must-have upgrade for anyone looking to improve their Ender 3, Ender 3 Pro, or Ender 3 V2 3D printer. If you're looking to boost your printer's performance, reduce vibration, and make leveling a breeze, then this dual Z-axis upgrade kit is exactly what you need. The first thing you'll notice with this kit is its precision. This upgrade includes a high-quality lead screw, stepper motor, and a metal power supply holder that significantly enhances your 3D printing experience. The motor is efficient, reliable, and operates quietly, even at high speeds. The lead screw guide rail is P3P7 precision, which means you'll see a consistent, smooth performance every time you print. The best part? The kit improves the overall accuracy of your 3D printer, ensuring that your prints come out exactly as you envisioned, with a positioning accuracy of just 0.01 mm. Now, let's talk about performance. One of the standout features of this kit is its ability to eliminate layer ripple caused by Z-axis vibration. This is a game changer for your 3D printing results, as it helps to reduce any filament backlog, which can cause your prints to be rough or inconsistent. Upgrading to a dual Z-axis structure allows both sides of your printer's X-axis to move in perfect sync, making it far easier to level your bed. This is going to save you time and effort, as you won't need to worry about frequent adjustments, giving you more time to focus on your projects. Another great feature of this upgrade is the dust-proof and mute design. If you've been bothered by the noise or dust accumulation on your 3D printer, this kit has you covered. The smooth sliding mechanism is well sealed, which not only ensures a quiet operation but also keeps dust and debris at bay, allowing your printer to run efficiently for longer. Installation is straightforward, and with this kit, you won't just be getting an upgrade in performance. You'll also enjoy an enhanced user experience. After installation, the printer will feel more stable, and your prints will be more reliable and professional looking. Plus, it's compatible with all versions of the Ender 3, whether it's the original, the Pro, or the V2, so you're covered no matter which model you own. And don't worry about support. If you run into any issues during installation or use, the kit comes with access to a technical support team that's ready to help you out within 24 hours. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, they'll ensure that you get the most out of your new dual Z-axis setup. To wrap things up, if you're looking for an easy way to enhance your Ender 3's printing performance, this dual Z-axis upgrade kit is a must-have. It's well made, improves stability, reduces vibration, and makes leveling your bed a lot simpler. Make sure to check it out and take your 3D printing to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next review.